Alright, hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to say thank you so much for 50 views on my last video. I know it's not a lot, but I mean 50 views is 50 views, it's 50 different people. And for a first video, it's not too bad, so thank you so much again. I'm hoping this video is going to get maybe 100 views, but who knows, time will tell. So in the last video where I used celery, I used this script right here, and I had a viewer comment on how to get it, so I decided I'd show you guys more of a preview since I only used it for one game and didn't really go over all the features that it had. So let's go ahead and load into Arsenal and inject it so you guys can see and I can show you guys everything up with the script. Also, it's really good. Like I said, you don't have to get like a key or anything for it, so pretty good. Also, something I forgot to mention in the last video is sometimes when you try and run celery, it's gonna say that there's an update needed. So if that ever happens, just click on celery launcher, and if for some reason it starts popping up these like random like white like boxes saying stuff, just go ahead and reset your PC, uninstall all the celery files, and then re-download it. It should fix it all. I know it's a pain in the butt, but that's really all there is. So let's focus on what the video is about, and this is the leg hub Arsenal aimbot. So for the local player, we can fix how much walk speed, how much jump we want. We can fly in no clip. Obviously, I don't touch those when I use this because I don't want to risk getting myself banned. I don't know if these features work. I'm pretty sure they do, but use them at your own risk. Of course, I'm using my test account because I'm not going to use my main account ever for these videos because pretty obvious. Aimbot, that's what everybody wants. Aimbot, you just right click and it should lock onto their heads as long as you can see them, because if they're hiding behind a wall, I'm pretty sure it doesn't lock onto their heads, so you have to be looking at them in the open in order for it to work. And silent aim, you don't even have to shoot at the player. You can shoot around the player like right here and it'll still damage them. It'll do so much damage, so you want to kind of be careful when you're using this because it can look really suspicious, because a shotgun from like 100 feet out can do like 100 damage. Like, it's insane how it works. The hitbox expander, I wouldn't recommend using this. I've used it before, but all it does is like show a really annoying box around the players. It doesn't really help, so yeah. So the draw FOV and the fill FOV is really just your FOV. That's pretty much useless. You can fix it right here in the display and click change FOV. So there's not really any need for this. In the visuals, this is where most people will be using these. The skeleton, obviously it shows the player's skeleton. The lines will show the lines from where you're standing. Obviously I'm not in a game right now, so it's not going to show it's just going to show from where I'm standing right here. The box, it hasn't been working. I don't know why, but I'm pretty sure Leg Hub will fix that in the future. And ESP health will show their health on the side. Obviously, these do drain your frames per second, so I only really recommend using skeletons and maybe health. For the gun, these aren't really necessary, but of course they're here if you guys ever need them. We have infinite ammo, only critical shots, so no matter where you shoot them, it's always going to count as a headshot. Rapid fire, which is going to just shoot every gun really, really fast. Instant reload, pretty much what the name says. Your gun's going to reload pretty much instantly. No spread means that your bullets will stay in one exact spot and won't spread around the area. And I'm pretty sure recoil is that same thing. And automatic, I'm pretty sure it just turns any gun that you want. It's really just rapid fire again. And rainbow gun and knife, well, it just makes your guns glow pretty much. The boost FPS, it will just remove a lot of the textures around the map. I don't really use this. I have a good PC, so there's not really any reason to use this. Chat bypass, just use that on your own risk, really. I mean, you can say pretty much everything because it's a bypass, obviously. And the melee hub, I've used it, but I don't recommend using it. It's kind of like frozen my PC. I never really took the time to really examine it, but just if you want to, go ahead and use it. And then for the credits, these are the people that made the leg hub, legit cost, and the Discord, which I will be linking down in the description if you guys want to join it for any reason. So if you guys want to see how it works, let's turn on silent aim and let's load into a server. And you can see as I said, I'm right clicking on his head, but I can't lock onto him because there's a wall in our way. So we want to be looking at them right in the open like this. And as you guys can tell, it's working really well. It's a really nice script. I like it. If you guys ever want any script for a certain game, always feel free to just drop a comment and let me know what type of scripts you want. I'll do my best to find the best working ones that require no keys, obviously. And I'm not going to really play the games because nobody wants to really see that. They just want the script. But I will be leaving the link in the description. It's going to be a link for ties, obviously. I need to earn some money somehow. So it's really simple. Just click on learn more and then stay on the page for maybe 10 seconds. Click off and then click I've completed this step. And I think it makes you wait maybe 10 seconds and then you can get the link. And if you've done a bunch of link vertises already, sometimes it's going to make you wait for an hour. So in that case, I would just use a bypass city or something. All it does is just bypass all those steps. Obviously, it's obvious people are gonna do it regardless. Obviously, it wouldn't really help me if people did it, but I'm just putting it out there because I don't want you guys waiting 60 minutes. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, drop a subscription maybe. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much.